How to set press and hold to speak inside button on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section, and here you can see the side button. You can go to side button. Here in side button, okay, you can see here the press and hold to speak. And the press and hold to speak is set into off. So if this off, there will be no response when you press and hold the side button. So for my example, I set into Siri. So Siri will respond when you press and hold the side button. Or you can set into classic voice control. So if this set, classic voice control will respond when you press and hold the side button. And also you can change the language of this voice dial of this classic voice control. And okay guys, for my example, I set into Siri. Siri will respond when you press and hold the side button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the press and hold to speak in side button on iPhone X.